Okay, well, while I've got you guys here, I'm going to ask you for opinions. Is there, in your humble opinion, is there any reason to not take these perfectly good pucks and deglaze them by rubbing them on some wet or dry sandpaper, like so? Mhm. Anybody have any reason that that should not be done? Here's one. Here's the other. Let's do this. I definitely do not see any reason to not do that, just to break the glaze a little bit. So, if you have any real good reasons why you should not do that, let me know. I am rotating them a little bit each time. This is a good flat surface. Okay, what is this? This is 220, wet or dry. So, you see this is already starting to dry out. Looks brand new. This was the first one I did. It's starting to dry out nicely. And I don't see any problem putting water on it because we do ride these motorcycles in the rain, you know. So I don't see any real problem. Now, one thing I don't do is I don't clean the outer side. I might wipe it down. And I don't clean the back because these things have this coating on them that keeps them from vibrating and squealing. So I don't clean the outside too much. And the only reason I'd clean this is if it is difficult getting it back into the caliper. But this coating is to keep them from squealing, so you don't want to buff that off. And if you want to, if you do have one that squeals, squeak when you stop, you can put a dab of blue goo in the four corners. It's made to stop disc brakes from squealing. So you can see these are drying out very nicely, and they're looking really good. So I see no problem with knocking the glaze off of them. There you go. That's an opinion. Everybody's got one.